guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to be doing a new build series from Nifeliz. We are going to be unboxing and starting the series of their newest updated version of their previous product called the Big Boy Train. So here's the packaging right here. Big Boy Train. It comes with the tracks as the base, and this one is 1,818 pieces. So there's one side of the packaging, and on the other side is build your good mood. So we're gonna open this. Flip it over. So like always, it comes with a little manual with a little imagery of what you're going to be building. So you kind of get like a specific like history of what the product is. This is the Union Pacific Big Boy. Nice diagrams and photos. So I'm excited to build this. And this is what the product's gonna look like once it's completed. So we begin here, just looking at this. This is the base of what the train is gonna be sitting on. So for this build series, it is 609 steps. So that's the book. You got the nice little bag of parts, which is individually separated for each section, as always. And of course, those nice storage boxes, which keeps your parts organized while you're assembling the product that you're doing. In this case, will be the Nifeliz Big Boy Train.
days.